Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you coffee lovers out there. We're talking about the best oat milk in the market, Pacific Foods Barista Series Original Oat Milk. Now, oat milk has been gaining popularity as a plant-based alternative to dairy milk, especially for coffee enthusiasts. And when it comes to making the perfect latte or cappuccino, the choice of oat milk can make all the difference. Let's dive into the details of this fantastic product. Pacific Foods offers a pack of 4 cartons, each containing 32 ounces of their Barista Series Original Oat Milk. This is the real deal, folks, and it's currently in Amazon's choice. And the best part? You can get this bundle for just $15.96, which breaks down to just 12 cents per fluid ounce. That's an amazing deal for high-quality oat milk that's perfect for baristas and home coffee makers alike. Now, the most important part, how does it taste? Well, according to the reviews, this oat milk is creamy, delicious, and it complements your coffee beautifully. It's rich and doesn't have that weird aftertaste you sometimes get with other milk alternatives. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Pacific Foods keeps it simple and clean. Water, oats, organic canola oil, and a few more natural additives like sea salt and tricalcium phosphate. Plus, it's vegan and kosher. Remember to shake well before use because separation is natural. After opening, make sure to refrigerate and use it within 7 to 10 days for the best experience. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what other people are saying. It's got an impressive 4.3-star rating with over 150 reviews on Amazon. Customers are loving the richness and taste of this oat milk. So there you have it, folks. Pacific Foods Barista Series Original Oat Milk, the best oat milk for your coffee adventures. Whether you're a barista or simply enjoy a great cup of coffee at home, this oat milk is a game changer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. And as always, if you've tried this oat milk or have any questions, let us know in the comments below.